Kutambira zvekare pano padzira re263 pano pachanga nchikuzivisai manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Kana uchiri munyowani pathis YouTube channel kusubscribe mahara wetena on the notification bell so that pandinoramba nichidzoka neamwe manews updates uchange uchingozvionera. Panapa uchange uchiona manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Saka ndatisubscribei, ndatilikeyi this video. Zvinobatsira kuti video rino ringe richifamba kune hama neshamwari nekuburikidza kulike nekusubscribe. Adikani sekuzwa kwamunozviita manews updates panapa ndinoona ndikamabatanidza nenge ndichiitira kuti muwane manews updates akati wandei pasame video. Video nyaya yandauya nezvayo first update inyaya yavaEthan. Ndosita ravo rekuzvarwa naro. Next update inenge iri nyaya inorwadza iyo inoda kuti tionesane mucomment section nekubatsirana. Vadikani first update yakamira so vaEthan muovheti wemuno munyika yedu yeZimbabwe uyo aitirwa zvinhu zvinorwadza zvinosiririsa. Vadikani vasingavazive ndichaisa video ravo ndobva ndazorova hangu last update vasati vakuvaziva, but I think vanhu vazhinji vanovaziva. Ndichaisa video ravo vachitaura zvavanenge vachitaura mastreets esocial media. Muovheti uyu wandinotaura nezvake isame crew navanageza ndosame crew rachiona havana kunyanyosiyana vahangofanana. Zvisinoita receiver nyaya yekuti vapisirwa imba. Kana chiti imba ndikureva chiri chirugwi cheuko. Imba iyi inonzi chirugwi cheuko manga mune imwe property yange ichinzi yanga iri mondo saka ndashandisa word rekuti imba. Zvinorwadza zvinosiririsa ndokumbura kuti zvandofika comment section ndo zvatareceiver kubva kwavari after vabuditsa video rakaita serandoda kukuisirai. Zvada kuti mngova inoda kusiya mchiona video pedza kuona video mbandarova last update ndatione this video.
We declare today that the office of the president has been desecrated. We, the liberators of this land, have reviewed the facts and come to one undeniable conclusion. The individual clinging onto power, onto the title of the highest position in this land, has long since vacated the office and the moral, constitutional, and revolutionary obligations entrusted in him. The president has abandoned his role. We have witnessed with heavy hearts how Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa has subordinated his duty to the nation in favor of criminal enterprises, corrupt syndicates, and unconstitutional acts that now bring shame to the flag we hosted in 1980. A president who abandoned State House to personally install convicted criminals into traditional institutions is no servant of the people, but an accomplice of lawlessness. A president who sponsors armed robbers to defraud both Zimbabwean citizens and foreign investors to the tune of millions has tarnished the office. A president who silences, persecutes, and seeks to liquidate fellow comrades, such as Comrade Constantino Chiwengu and his wife Mary, using the very tactics of our colonial oppressors, have betrayed the liberation struggle. Enough is enough. We, as the veterans of the liberation war, reject the recklessness and abandonment of Zimbabwe's constitutional order. We reject a leadership that kneels to criminality and external manipulation, as evidenced by the continued shadow of Rhodesia-era operatives who still seek to undermine the revolution from within. We invoke the spirit of Chitepo, Tongogara, and Joshua Nkomo. Our gallant heroes didn't lay down their lives for Zimbabwe to be reduced to a playground of fraudsters, gold mafias, and violent cabals. The silence from State House in the face of these crimes is an indictment of a leader who no longer belongs to the people, but to criminal syndicates. We, the war veterans, as custodians of this nation's revolutionary heritage, therefore make the following pronouncement. The president must agree to be escorted out of his destination of choice. Emmerson Mnangagwa has forfeited the moral right to lead this country. He has placed self-preservation and personal enrichment above national duty. Parliament must act. We call on Parliament to immediately move to impeach Emmerson Mnangagwa as provided for under Section 97 of the Constitution. The threshold has been passed. Delay is complicity. The armed forces must remain loyal to the Constitution. We remind our comrades in uniform that their loyalty lies not within individuals, but with the people of Zimbabwe and the Constitution that governs us all. The nation must unite. We call on every citizen, young and old, rural and urban, to rise in peaceful and constitutional defense of Zimbabwe's sovereignty. We will not be silent. We will not stand idle. Our legacy demands that we speak now or forever betray the blood of those who fell beside us in the trenches. The hour is upon us to cleanse our nation of the road that has infected the highest office. We, the war veterans, stand ready to defend Zimbabwe, not with arms, but with truth, with justice, and with invisible power of the people. Aluta continue. Victory be certain. I thank you.
Next update ivideo revanhu vari kuchema vane hama iri muchipatara, kwadziri muchipatara. Ndokumbirota zvatofika comment section after wapedza kuona this video. Rinorwadza, rinosirisa. Mwari inzwai nyasha, Mwari pindirai, Mwari poresai vari kurwara, Mwari sunungurai pakasungwa naSatani. Nombrotoni this video wapedza kuona video tazvonofunga comment section ndichingona materawo avo vari muchipatara kuti vakasike kupora. Ndachone this video.
Sempilo lapha esibhedlela kobulawayo. Yebo mama ubani igama?
Ibizo lami nguSilindele Nkomo. Umama ka Emmanuel Nkomo owayenza iaccident mhla ka 26 January. Kuchabalala extension kwatshona abantu abayi3, abanye balimala, abantu abayi11 ababesuka eMasowe. Balimala besemgaqweni khona lapho ngemoto enaleyo yayidrayiva umntanami uEmmanuel Nkomo. So ngilapha Zihlobo kulabanye.
Uhambe njani umntana wakho nxa sithi kuhamba njani?
Uthi yena wabona umntwana, wayezama ukuvika umntwana, wagcina imota yehlulile ukuthi ayibambe, wagcina echaye umntwana, wachaya abantu bona labo abachaya.
Umntwana wahamba labantu laba
umntwana wahamba labona laba abechechi, umntaka mamena lo watshonayo.
Kwafa abantu abangaki? 3.
Kwafa abantu abayi3, umama oyi1, lo mntwana ngumfana oyi1, lo yinkazana oyi1.
Kwakuzikhathi bani?
Kwakusebusene, I think around past 6.
Umntana wakho wayesiyanga?
Wayesiyadiliva ubhuti womngani wakhe.
Wayelele sebenza?
Hayi, wahamba ekuseni ngamthatha.
Basebembopha?
Wathathwa babuya esibhedlela abantu laye, then wasehamba ecourt ngelanga lecourt, wasethiwa 100 days plus wathathelwa i-license yakhe.
So wanikwa i-community service?
Wanikwa i-community service ye4 months, 100 days.
Kuyini wakwenzayo befilela abantu? Kukhona wakwenzayo kwathiwani? Bathini ifamily lezi ezifelwe zathini?
Ifamily lezi ezatshonelwayo zathi bona bacela ukuthi sibabambele imisebenzi yonke, ingcwabo selaphisela laba abasezibhedlela, kulaba abasezibhedlela. Yikho esakwenzayo, sancedisa from day 1 till ingcwabo yaze yenziwa kwadlula.
Ukubize nokunganani khonokho because ukhala sithi ubhadala into eziningi. Wenzani kahle kahle?
Abanye sabayela ibhasi, sabamba ingcwabo ukuthi family ngefamily yalabo abashonelwa, abanye sasuspenda maybe imali ezingafika o2 something thousand. Abakusiyala ngokuthi abanye bakhona abancedise njani, labo isihlobo zabo siphethe njani. Sancedisa konke ngokudla, la ngokuhamba engcwabeni, la ngokwelaphisa abasezibhedlela. Ukhona omunye oswadischargewayo wafakwa insimbi, ithe sayithengayo, lokho esithenga le treatment, then kulaba yi2 abakhona khathesi, lokho esibhadala izinto zesibhedlela, sincedisana lama families abo.
Cela ke lapho ucelani ngone isitshelo sibe lapho uyini ofuna manje?
Okwakhathesi ngicela uncedo lwemali for umama uTsitsika Jakhaire. Umama wabhotshozwa lapha eceleni kuthiwa ulamanzi aphuma esifubeni sakhe ayala ukuphela, so kumele ahambe i-operation. Plus lo muthi omunye obhalwe ngama-doctors, umuthi wakhona siyehluleka ukuwuthenga. It's 1,240 kwezinye 1,000 kwezinye indawo lapha bathi bengasenzela khona ngcono lakho bathe umuthi awukho elizweni, utholakala out of the country. so kuyamela siqale sibhadale imali zakhona ukuthi ubuye so imali yakhona asiselayo because sesincedisile lathi imali besivele singelayo sincediswa izihlobo zethu labangane besidonethela imali zokuthi sincediseke okwakhathi esilaba abantu sebephelelwe lathi sesiphelele but abantu lokho besesibhedlela benida ukwelatshwa umama utsithi ufuna ukufaka insimbi enyaweni idrain yona leli ibonayo bandraina kumele ahambe eHarare for i-operation so imali zakhona asiselazo ne-treatment ezibhalwayo kuyafunakala ama-x-ray kuyafunakala ama-scan because every week every day
ikhomande leyo yenza ukuthi uyenze watshelwa mbani ngama-families uhambe uyengcwaba kumbe wazizokuvela enhliziyweni yakho
lokhu asitshelwa ngama-families bakhuluma but thina lathi sakubona kufanele ukuthi kumele sibancedise so lathi sasesincedisa bakhuluma thina sesivele sasisukumela lathi samalabo
okay umama uthembani biza
Ngisilindele Nkomo
mama Silindile Nkomo umama womfana wachaya umfana uyasebenza ngasebenza
ayikasebenzi
ebehlezi nje
we senzo ukuthi yena bele license relieve amanye ama drivers emchoveni abangani bakhe elokuchova kwesinye isikhathi
okay ubaba
kusefela busi
walikho lonke
sisonke ubaba wakhe uyazisebenza la
okay angazi umama yebo mama
njani
ngiyaphila akusitsheli mama ulimele ongana ingabe kubaba walimala nga Qongathi ngaphi emlenzini umbe enyaweni phansi
phansi konyawo
okay
qonke kakhulu
abakafaki iplaster bathi bafunani
bafaka i-back slab
eh
yobayifakayo
abafaka ngesimbi
hayi
bathi bafunani bathi
abakwanisa ukungelapha unyawo ngaphandle ngaqala ngipholela lapho engidrena khona
amanzi lawo uthavela nga
kuthiwa phakathi lapha ngalimali imali yokuthi ngiyeke operation ngiyeke kumele ngithenge i-injection ezancedisa ukukhipha amanzi lokuvalela kodwa kakhulu
ungathenga imithi leyo ukuthi uthi awusadingi operation
yikho abakutshileyo
okay so umuthi lo ngawuthola uzakhipha amanzi awomisi
yikho abakutshileyo bathe iyadula but iyancedisa
i-medication injection bathe imalini
ngazi khona kubotaza kuba 1000 bani angisakhumbula ukuthi
wena ukhumbulani ngedaily yana xa ukhumbula kwenzakalani ekuseni wabonani
ngalitshela amanga ngabona sengisesibhedlela
so ukhumbula lo msindo umba abantu sinasimoto awukhumbula
ambonanga
abonanga
ngalitshela amanga
wavukela esibhedlela lalivele echurch
esasivele echurch
emasolo ubusuku bonke lasechurch
salale entabeni sabe sesiye ekuseni
okay kulubuzo
so unyawo unyawo kumele liqale lulinde ukuthi amanzi adrain khona luza operate ufaka insimbi imali yonyawo iyodwa
imali yonyawo iyodwa okulapha isibuwala ngapho kudrainayo kukodwa akuhlangani lamadoda ngikhona achiye
alright imali ye-operation yonyawo imali
angikwazisisi ngaliqambela amanga njengabe ngitshona ngilelela ngisizwa ubuhlungu
vela uhambe
since mhla ka-26
lokulele khona bakuphendula kodwa
bamphendula
so ufake imithini yokudraina konke lokho
ngifakile
baba sonde